How to make a picture the background on Google Docs. So for this, what you have to do is go to Insert, which is located on the upper left portion of your screen, and then go to Watermark. So now this section here will appear. Make sure you're under Image, and then click this box here which says Select Image. Now since my photo is saved in my desktop, I will go to the Uploads tab. So you can either click the Browse option or you can drag the file here. Now select the photo that you want to upload and then click Open. As you can see, the background photo has now been uploaded. Now if you want the background photo to fit the page, all you have to do is click the drop-down arrow button beside Scale and select 200%. With this, the background photo fits perfectly. Now it is up to you if you want to tick the box beside Faded, but for this, I'll leave it as it is. By clicking More Image Options, you will be provided with more tools that can help you customize the background photo. And so that is how you make a picture the background on Google Docs. Thank you and have a great day.